How to do a scatter plot with empty circles in Python. In Python, with matplotlib, how can a scatter plot with empty circles be plotted? The goal is to draw empty circles around some of the colored disks already plotted by scatter so as to highlight them, ideally without having to redraw the colored circles. I tried face colors equals none to no avail.
Would these work? Or using flat?
From the documentation for scatter. Try the following. Note, for other types of plots, see this post on the use of marker edge color and marker face color.
Here's another way. This adds a circle to the current axis, plot or image or whatever. The circles in the picture get squashed to ellipses because im's how aspect equals auto.
In matplotlib 2.0, there is a parameter called fill style, which allows better control on the way markers are filled. In my case, I have used it with error bars, but it works for markers in general. This URL fill style accepts the following values: full, left, right, bottom, top, none. There are two important things to keep in mind when using fill style. 1. If MFC is set to any kind of value, it will take priority. Hence, if you did set fill style to none, it would not take effect. So avoid using MFC in conjunction with fill style. 2. You might want to control the marker edge width, using marker edge width or mu, because if the marker is relatively small and the edge width is thick, the markers will look like filled even though they are not. Following is an example using error bars.
If you want to support the channel,